Hi, it's Paula, and welcome to a 5-day video series where I'm going to show you how to use games and activities to release stress, to get in touch with more inside yourself, to connect to others, and to have fun. So, if you are interested in this, the first thing you have to do is turn off all distractions. So you're willing to turn off your phone and just look at this on your computer or wherever you're viewing it. You're not going to do other things. It's really important, if you're going to learn from this work, that you take the time, and all the videos will be under 10 minutes. So you just have to commit to a maximum of 10 minutes to allow yourself to experience something deeper. So, the first thing that I want you to think about is something that becomes automatic for you. So, when you're a toddler, you learn how to walk, and in the beginning, you have to have attention there. You stumble around, you fall, but now when you walk, you don't need to think about it unless you get injured. When you were learning to drive a car, I remember myself, I couldn't have the radio turned on and I'm checking all the mirrors. And now when I'm driving a car, I can get from point A to point B. And how did I get here? You get automatic. There's a part of your brain that with repetition, things become automatic. So today what we're going to talk about is, I'm going to talk about, is things that cause you stress. So if there's a game that causes you stress or an activity. So let's say you are a decent chess player, but your opponent always beats you, and so that causes you stress. So when you're under stress, you get to a different part of your brain, and it blocks your creativity, it blocks your learning. So what I want to do is to show you how to get the most out of every game, every moment, so that you're not in a stressful situation, or you're at least aware that you're in stress, and you make a change to do something differently. So for me, I'm not good at playing chess. I know the rudimentary things, so that wouldn't be a good example for me. But my memory, I know that that's something that I have to work at. And if I meet a new person and we introduce each other, I'm looking at their face. I'm very visual. So then like 2 seconds later, I say in my head, what was their name? Because I didn't focus on it. So for me, any game that requires my memory in that way, I really have to focus. And I can, if I'm playing a game with someone else and it requires memory and they're better than me, I can get this mental dialogue. Oh, they're better, I'm never gonna win, I can't do this. And so I'm going to teach you what to do to help you. I'm not saying that you're gonna win, because it's not about winning, it's about releasing the stress and enjoying what you're doing, if you're doing whatever you're doing by yourself or with another person, you're enjoying doing it rather than feeling stress and competition. So the first thing in anything is to stop before you start. So you stop, you can close your eyes if you want, scan your body, get in touch with your breath. Breathe, take a few deep breaths into your abdomen, and feel that starting to shift your attention from your head, I can't do this, or whatever is happening in your head. Go to your belly, take a breath, notice any tension in your shoulders or your face, and soften your face, soften your body if it helps to move. And so once you feel that you're now present, you're here, you're aware of your breath, you're aware of your body, this is what I call more a neutral point. And at this point, you're ready to begin whatever it is that you're going to do. So for me, if it was something involving memory, that would help me. And so when I'm playing a game that involves memory against a person or people that I know or I feel, I don't know, because I have a good memory, I just don't, I get stressed and I don't use it as well as I could. So any moment when I'm in the game and I notice myself, I keep, when my attention goes to my mind or anything other than focusing my full attention on what I'm doing, I bring my attention to my breath, I soften my face, I release my shoulders. This is a really good thing if what causes you stress is something physical. So if you're moving, just move and relax your shoulder. You notice like here, relax your shoulder. So keep that in mind. Always start before you stop and approach anything new with fresh eyes, with a curious mind. Don't think, oh, I've done this before. Think, this is new, this is a new moment. Oh, I'm curious about this. How does this work? Even if you've done it 1,000 times, look at it with a curious mind. Be aware of any mental chatter that happens. Bring your attention back to your breath, releasing shoulders, releasing your face, and enjoy and have fun with another person, by yourself. Now, for tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to connect inside or connect with another person by playing a familiar game in a different way. So, I hope to see you tomorrow. Until next time.